Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel your membership with FabFitFun, complete guide step by step clearly. To cancel your FabFitFun membership, start by logging into your account on the FabFitFun website. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings section, typically found in the upper right corner of the screen. In the account settings, look for the membership or subscription tab. Click on that tab to access your membership details. You should see an option labeled Cancel Membership. Select this option to initiate the cancellation process. Follow the on-screen prompts, which may include answering a few questions about your decision to cancel. After providing the required information, confirm your cancellation. Make sure to check your email for a confirmation message regarding your membership cancellation. If you cannot find the option to cancel online, you can reach out to FabFitFun's customer service. You can contact them via live chat or by email for further assistance. Be prepared to provide your account details when contacting customer service. Once your request is processed, you will receive a confirmation of your cancellation via email. Keep this confirmation for your records. If you have any outstanding payments or items in your cart, ensure these are addressed before proceeding with cancellation. Remember that canceling your membership will stop future boxes from being sent. You can always reactivate your membership later if you decide to return. Review your account settings periodically to stay updated on any changes to their cancellation policy. It's always good to know the terms of service before making adjustments to your membership. Make sure you follow each step carefully for a smooth cancellation process. That wraps up the steps to cancel your FabFitFun membership. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.